just wanted to know, as far as like with the K-Swiss brand, are you guys planning on making the sneaker accessible? Like, I feel like with sneakers that are really starting to pop, like Adidas and even especially with Nike for a while, people that really want them can't buy them. And then it just kind of gets oversaturated on like eBay and then, you know, small sneaker stores that sell $150 shoe for like $500. And it just really sucks for a person that really wants to buy sneakers and collectors.
Yeah, I mean, I'll let these guys speak to the overall thing, but my main plan for November is I'm going to buy them all and then trade them for $1,000 a pair on eBay. So I'm going to make them really not accessible.
Somebody should. Somebody should. I mean,
I'm kidding.
Right? Okay.
I'm kidding, Brad.
No.
I'm kidding.
Oh my God.
I'm kidding.
Yeah, I think, look, I think first and foremost, you know, we don't yet have the cachet where we can have people lining up and for one little limited thing, you know, we're a sneaker for everybody. We're not trying to be the niche little streetwear brand, I guess. We're trying to build a big sneaker company for everyone. So, but, you know, there are some realities for supply and demand about, you know, do you pre-buy, you know, 10,000 pairs and then find out only 1,000 people are interested in them and you've now got 9,000 pairs in the warehouse. So I think, you know, there is a limited audience, a very dedicated, voracious audience who collects these higher end things. So, you know, there's a balance between ordering the right amount and then not making them so scarce that everybody's left disappointed. And it's created this huge aftermarket. I think for us, we'll make things as accessible as we can. We've talked a lot about this, Gary and us, about, you know, what is the demand going to be? And I don't think we've really got the answer yet.
We're not sure.
Yeah.
I mean, so I think, Britt, I think the question becomes, this happened in the wine business. It was interesting. One of the things I'm watching sneakerheads go through is, you know, do you really want that sneaker or do you want that sneaker because it's hard to get, right? Like what happens is things become caricatures of themselves. I think what we're about to go into, and one of the reasons this was interesting to me is I think we're about to go into the genre where people are getting more confident about their sneaker game. And so when I see somebody only wear limited edition sneakers, I genuinely mean what I'm about to say. I look at them and I go, that dude is insecure. Like that they need,
right?
Like, to me, I like want to rock like a pair that you could buy at the dollar store to mix with the $1,400, you know, resold pair of sneakers. So I think the question becomes to you is what kind of sneaker, you know, gal head are you, right? Do you know, what's that mix? Because you know what happened in fashion, right? People are now wearing, you know, and the high end, $4,000 handbags with $8 t-shirts and $9,000 glasses. Yeah. I think we're going to start seeing the most secure sneakerheads start really fucking mixing it up, right? Like common shoe that you could find in fucking Walmart. They just like the way it looks. For $18, I'm gonna rock that Tuesday. Yeah. Wednesday, I'm gonna rock a one-of-one limited edition $90,000 thing that you can only buy if you milk the cow in Japan.
No, totally, Gary. Like any sneaker that I'm actually gonna buy, I'm gonna make sure that one is comfortable, and two, that it's not ridiculously priced. Like I'm 35 and like I still collect sneakers, and people kind of like scoff at me or whatever. But whatever, I do my own shit. But like if K-Swiss is gonna like come back with the vengeance, like some dope styles and they're comfortable, I'll totally buy them. Like I'm not all like, I have these Balenciaga sneakers for $1,400 and like that's more than my mortgage. That's crazy, you know?
That's exactly right.
Well, lucky for you, check and check. They're comfortable and affordable.
Yeah, and those things sell out, by the way, at $1,400. It's amazing. I think, look, when branding is important, I think, when people put brands on themselves, especially young people in fashion, it says a lot about who they are.
It's
and most people want
the world to think of them.
Yeah, exactly. And so you can't underappreciate what that means. And I think there's, a safety in fitting in. I mean, everybody wants to fit in, which drives a lot of people to buy the brands that everybody else buys. There's a certain type that isn't burdened by that, that need. And there's also then another level of people who say, I purposely want to do something different. And 100%. Those are the people right now that are starting to reach out to us that say, hey, I want to be the first people on K-Swiss, not the 1,000th person on brand X that's already in every store. So.